Hi, I'm Mike White, account manager for Domino, and I'm here with Matt Gillino, Director of Maintenance and Engineering for Tabasco, and we're discussing why Matt chose Domino to work with.
I got hired a couple years ago as a Director of Engineering. One of the things that I learned was how good Domino technology was, especially the Relax Plan, working with them and the service that we get from Domino. At that point, once I decided, okay, we're all in with Domino, we continued that plan over the last couple years to really change all the older technology to Domino. I'm not an easy customer to please.
No.
Mike doesn't, I don't believe everything that salesman tells me. I like to see it. I'm really hands-on, so having some of the technology already on site, it was really insightful to see how that performed compared to the competition, and it's top-notch and easy to use. I can go from an inkjet to a print and apply to a laser, and the HMI is the same, and it's very easy to use. So we have over, I think, 30 different Domino products at the factory, and it could be a really hard task to manage that. Now switching to Domino and the Relax Plan really helped us not have to worry about it. One good example is the online access, where I get notified directly when there's a problem with a Domino, which rarely happens.
Domino Cloud.
Yeah, the Domino Cloud, also connecting me to the right people to supply automatically our labels with AIMS, getting technicians on site to help us start it up, training.
And training's a big part of what we do. I mean, Domino made a huge investment in the service years ago, and it's paid off. These guys are big on training. They want it, they expect it, and we do a good job with it. It makes everybody's life easier in the end.
Like I already said, the platform is really well built and easy to use for operators, and then also for mechanics and engineers. So.
In the last 7 years, I've really enjoyed working with Matt and John and the whole Tabasco team, because it's not just a customer sales guy role. These guys are good salt-of-the-earth people that are friends, and I think that is established from a trust in Domino, and that will be there for them.
Yeah, I agree with that. I mean, as I move my projects and grow, and you come visit and always shoot me some new innovation and R&D, and you guys have been really helpful for us, the extended team of Tabasco, to help us, deliver our product and really never have to worry about it. At this point, this relationship is strong enough. I don't need to look at other technologies, because I know you guys are the leader. So.
Ooh. Thanks, man.
Thanks, Domino.
Thanks, Domino.